Meaning of dinner lady.
Dinner lady.
Dinner lady.
Dinner lady.
Dinner lady. Dinner lady is a British term used to refer to a female school dinner server who is responsible for preparing and serving food to students during lunchtime. This role typically involves overseeing the dining hall, setting tables, serving meals, and cleaning up afterwards. The term has become somewhat of a cultural icon in the UK, representing a sense of community and nostalgia for many people who remember their school days. Despite its gendered language, male dinner servers are also becoming more common in schools across the country.